If you're experiencing billing issues on Binance, follow these steps to resolve them efficiently. This guide will help you navigate the process and find a solution. Step 1. Identify the problem. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Check your account activity. Log into your Binance account and review your transaction history. Look for any discrepancies or unauthorized transactions that could explain the billing problem. Ensure that all your payment methods are up to date. Step 3. Visit the Binance Support Center. Go to the Binance Support Center on their website. Search for articles related to a specific billing issue. Often, you can find solutions or troubleshooting steps that can help you resolve the problem quickly. Step 4. Submit a support ticket. If you cannot find a solution in the support center, submit a support ticket. Provide detailed information about your billing issue, including screenshots if necessary. Be clear and concise to help the support team understand your problem. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your ticket, monitor your email for responses from the Binance support team. If you do not receive a reply within a reasonable time frame, consider following up on your ticket to ensure it is being addressed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing issues you encounter on Binance. Don't hesitate to reach out for support if needed, as they are there to help you.